Am I the only one that didn't know effective ways to expand your vocabulary? Well, not anymore. Picture this. You're in a conversation and suddenly you're stuck searching for the right word. Annoying, right? Let's fix that today with 3 simple tips to turbocharge your English vocabulary. First, get a word-a-day app. It's like having a pocket-sized dictionary that gives you a new word every morning. Use that word in a sentence at least 3 times a day. Soon it'll be second nature. Second, read books, articles, even comic strips. And the more you read, the more words you pick up. And don't just glance over them, look up any unfamiliar words and note them down. Finally, engage in conversations. Join a language exchange or chat with friends. Using new words in real-life situations helps cement them in your memory. So, ready to impress everyone with your vocabulary? Start today and watch your English soar. Cheers to learning.